Hi, this is Foodie Samples. Today I'm going to be making sweet potato coins. They're from a book. So this is the book. It's called Quicker Than Quick and it is by Pamela Salzman. This is how the cover looks. This book is pretty cool because it focuses on making things quickly. The tagline is that you can make anything in this cookbook in 30 minutes or less. So that is pretty good for people who don't have too much time. One of the other things I liked about this book is that the author has sections in the beginning where she discusses a lot of different ingredients and how to pick them out and like what substitutes can be used. This book is cool because there's a lot of pictures in the book, so you can see kind of what you're getting into. There's one example. There's another one. It's called Whole Wheat Veggie Skillet Pizza Rolls. She has some desserts in here too, and one of them I noticed was Stovetop Apple Crisp, which I think I'll definitely try too. Unfortunately, the sweet potato coins recipe did not have a picture, but I figured I'll give it a try anyways because I was really in the mood for making sweet potato coins as a side for dinner. So the sweet potato coins recipe is on page 177 of the cookbook. Here's how the recipe looks on the page. So let's see. The first thing to do is get your sweet potato. There's the sweet potato I'll be using for the sweet potato coins. You preheat the oven to 425. Okay, the oven is preheating. So we have to line up a baking sheet with parchment paper. So here is the baking sheet I'll be using, and I already put the parchment paper there. So in a large bowl, toss the sweet potato slices with oil. All right, so first I have to slice the sweet potato that I got here, and it says slice into 1/8 of an inch thick rounds with the skin on. So that's cool. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start slicing the sweet potato into about 1/8. So kind of like that. And I'm just going to keep on slicing sweet potato. I don't think I've ever made them in circles before. So they look pretty good. And this sweet potato looks like it will be giving me plenty of coins to make. So I'm just gonna keep slicing those. All right, and I finished chopping the sweet potato into the coins. So as you can see, there are quite a few here, maybe like 20 at least, or maybe even 30. Toss the sweet potato slices with oil. So I've got a big bowl here, and I'm gonna put the sweet potatoes in, and then I'm going to put the oil in. Okay, so this is extra virgin olive oil, and there's 2 tablespoons which are needed. So that's about 1, 2. Okay, so I'm just gonna toss the sweet potatoes with the oil right here in the bowl. I'm trying to make sure that the oil gets in all the pieces of sweet potato. You gotta move them around a lot because the sweet potato slices kind of stick together. Okay, I think they're looking pretty covered. So now I've got to arrange them on the baking sheet and sprinkle them with salt. She also called for sprinkling them with pepper, but I don't really like pepper, so I'm not gonna use pepper, just salt. I'm just gonna layer them down here. Oh, this is a lot of sweet potatoes. I may have to bunch them in a bit. Oh, I think it's gonna be perfect. Cool. All right, so those are the sweet potatoes all lined on the pan. Sea salt on them. Okay, and then we just have to bake this for 10 to 12 minutes or until crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. So I'm putting them in the oven. Okay, the coins are in the oven and we will just see how they are in 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, it's been 12 minutes, so it's now time to take the sweet potato coins out of the oven. Wow, they look really good. They look perfect. I'm gonna let them cool. Okay, the sweet potato coins are done, so here's how they look. And I've let these cool a bit, so I'm gonna try one. Mmm. Oh, those are really good. This would be a really good side with dinner or really just as a snack. Yeah, those are really good. I would definitely make that again. Okay, so that's sweet potato coins from Quicker Than Quick by Pamela Salzman. Thanks for watching. Bye.